That's the advantage of having an offensive setter in the front row. Having two spikers is not a disadvantage.
Open spot for Chammy Maaya.
That was a perfect set. Look at that.
She has really taken control of this team.
Zero tempo, too.
5-6. Loresco unable to really smack that ball, but they have another chance here. Back row. Huli.
FEU doesn't do it often.
To si Silyadong Bubong anumang panahon. Come on now. You have to call that.
I know.
Maaya smacks it with interest.